Rainforest Rescue. Reach the goal while riding Yoshi. The best clear condition. Nope. 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 It's amazing how consistent that's the way. The very first time through, when I don't know what I'm doing yet, I pull off the hard move. And now I know what the solution is. All I have to do is pull off the hard move. And I can't. It's just a weird little control jump. Gotcha. Come on, Spike. Thank you. G. E. Ugh. Hey, thanks for watching the video all the way to the end. In case you liked it, just know that every like, comment, and especially every subscribe really helps the channel out. Thanks again.